Okay. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's vlog is going to be a Dallas vlog. I was actually in Dallas for like a day and a half because my brother was going on a college visit, but while he was at his college visit I decided to meet up with a few of my teammates. So that's what you guys just saw. We went to Snooze. They have one in Houston and I've been and I love it, so we went again. We just like hung out, had some mimosas, caught up, and then we went over to my cousin's house. So my cousin lives in Dallas and she just bought a house. So this next clip is her like giving us a tour of the house, like MTV style. And then I kind of just like vlogged little clips here and there of like little things that we did the rest of that night. But I just wanted to intro this vlog because I didn't ever have time to intro. I thought that I was gonna like make a proper intro, but the day just kind of got ahead of us and I kind of was like in the moment and just enjoying the time with family. So I wanted to come on here and make a quick intro. But if you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like this video at the end, and make sure you guys stay till the end because it really helps me out. But my camera's about to die, so I'm going to go ahead and stop this, but let's just go ahead and get guys, we just pulled up at Tomar's new house. Did you knock already?
You should have right place.
Hope so. Hi, Jasmine.
Oh my god. I'm like, what is that? Hi.
Hi, Jasmine.
Alright, y'all ready for the tour?
Yes.
Everyone did their tour already. I know, but I just gotta do it. Welcome to my MTV. No, you gotta do it. We have to be out here.
Yeah, let me.
Y'all know, get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Come on, Divine. Humor me. You know so often. Okay, someone's got it out. Welcome to MTV Crib. We really came outside though. Alright, so this is my first hallway. This is it's gonna be a study slash office because I don't need 2 guest rooms. But yeah, study office is gonna be the last room that's decorated because it's not a priority. Yeah. At all. Oh, for the light.
Yeah.
This is bathroom number uno. Golly, how you can put the seat down for that. The ambiance. And this is my guest room.
Nice, nice. Only furnished room in the house.
Only furnished
okay.
room in the house. Seriously, that is so sad. Garage door. Ain't nothing in my garage. I just swept out all the crickets for you guys.
Aww.
Thank you. I did. I came out and said, let me sweep these crickets so they can step over the dead cricket. There's a lot. That looks good one. Does it? This is my laundry room. Not really organized. I just bought that sign.
Oh, you got furniture.
Nice. Is that a Dyson?
Yeah.
You got money.
Low key, grandma bought me that. I was like, grandma gave me. I bought the Dyson. Grandma bought the Dyson. How you feel about that?
I'm okay. Just make sure grandma's still here whenever I get my house so she can buy me my own Dyson. Okay? I know, it is huge.
Yes, that was also a gift, the 75-inch.
The echo is so loud.
This is my kitchen, living room, dining room.
Ooh. Ah. We love the commentary.
No furniture. The biggest space in my house. No
That's the start. That's the most important thing.
Wait, we're not.
Amen. The morning. Oh, the pantry. Oh, this is my pantry.
You're separating food outside.
When did you do that, Jaden? Exactly. When are you Good. The mortgage is paid. I got somewhere to live until December.
Wait, the master bedroom.
Oh, the master bedroom. This is where the magic happens. They say that on MTV Crib.
Another TV. Still unfurnished.
Still unfurnished.
We came in here a little earlier.
This is the bathroom.
Jacuzzi. I'll be taking a bath later.
I haven't even taken a bath.
Toilet. Jesus.
The closet is a mess.
It's full though.
Exactly. It's a mess.
Okay, tour over.
I like Jaden.
I don't. Guys, we're at the mall now. We've been shopping.
I just reminded Tomar that she wasn't vlogging.
Oh. No, that is.
What did Jaden say?
Yeah, that's what I figured.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait until.
What did you say?
So I'm sorry guys, we were vlogging and we were shopping and I wasn't really able to vlog. But get on my face,
How do
man.
you feel about being on the internet, Jaden?
I feel confident.
Do you tell people to follow you?
No.
Yes. He always tells me he's like, hey, go like my post and put me on your story.
Yes.
I know, I don't see you on Tomar's story.
Yeah, because I
Trying to cut you off
don't
in real life.
claim him. I'm just kidding.
What'd you say?
Sauce J with 3 Y's.
What?
These kids now.
Add him on Instagram, Sauce J with 3
Oh
Y's.
yeah. Follow me.
Damali XOXO underscore.
Yes, please. Oh my God, I am so
Why is
cool.
your underscore at the end?
I don't have an underscore.
Mom, what's your Instagram name? Oh, she's on the phone. Oh, okay. All right, she's ignoring.
She busy.
Oh, okay. She's busy. Okay.
busy.
Where's her sunglasses? You have to let people know that you're busy. All right. You're gonna break your own mirror.
First of all, are you gonna do my nails?
Yeah.
We're gonna do nails because my nails.
This is not an ad or sponsor.
Before, after. Oh yeah, let's mark out their name. Where is
You
their
can
name?
put the name without it, like
Yeah.
just say it's not sponsored. It's not sponsored.
Not sponsored.
This is not sponsored, but before, and then we'll do the after.
So we're doing a tutorial on how to put on the stick-on nails.
So I have them right now.
And they look good. No one knew.
Yeah, I've had them on since Tuesday and
And
today's
she washed her
Saturday.
hair with them.
So first you're gonna like size it up. So you're gonna put the plastic part because this is where the adhesive is being covered by the plastic. And then you rip it off. But you first gonna figure out what your,
That's too big.
no, these may be all together.
My nail beds are a little small.
Oh.
Sister circle. How do I do it though?
Sister circus. She don't even.
I love this.
I look so uncomfortable. I'm like too big to sit on the ground. This actually hurts. It's uncomfortable. Showing the tutorial.
My thumbs are the ones that look bad though.
How many is
Yeah,
in the back? It's in the pack.
It's about, I think they said 30. Yeah, 30 nails.
She baked while she
She
was.
tried to, yeah. I think she
I would have
was.
reported her ass with a quickness.
She is, babe. Oh, you have to clean your nails.
Woo! There's alcohol in that. I gotta. My cuticles are a little bit pushed back. I felt that.
Oh.
You're too sensitive.
It burned. It stings.
burned. This hand's finished?
They say girls go like this and guys go like this. So which one am I? I'm a guy or a girl?
Yeah, girl.
Both.
You're not sure.
Oh, so y'all say y'all stepping out?
We stepping out.
Hey, look, leather.
Like this.
Look,
Y'all can do it.
you look at the old young folk. The old young folk.
Silly.
So this is how Jaden and I are sleeping tonight. We're gonna love looking back on this footage in a couple months when her house is actually furnished. But you know, for now, we're appreciating the fact that we have somewhere to lay our heads. So good night, everybody.